Vertical document management enables information to be made highly visible and available to the user, providing quick and easy access. The hold-all ring binders have two kinds of fixing options: magnetic, for use on a magnetic receptive material, such as a magnetic receptive board or metal cabinet, and self-adhesive, which offers a permanent fixing. For heavier files, the hold-all self-adhesive version is recommended. For magnetic versions on steel cabinets, file weights can be up to 2.5 kilograms. On magnetic receptive display boards, the file weights can be up to 400 grams with 2 rings and up to 800 grams with 4 rings. The hold-all binders have either 2 or 4 rings and are suitable for use with conventional stationary pockets, but will also accommodate our tough, heavy-duty document pockets. Brightly coloured covers help communicate and direct the information and can be fitted to the hold-all binders at any time. Each colour cover has a clear front, allowing additional information to be communicated.